welcome back to Online Classes with Delgado Adult Ed Program, Level 3-4. So this week's topic is, are you ready to participate in online classes? So can you log into the classroom? Can you join live meets? Can you read slides, answer questions, watch videos, and practice independently? If you can, you are ready. So let's start with our first online class. This is some vocabulary that we might talk about commonly in our online classes. We have mute, screen share, join, links, Google Classroom, the stream, submit, and switch accounts. You should use these words to form your own sentences about online classes to share with your teachers and to practice for yourself. Listed here are the definitions and some practice sentences, but let's just read these three. Google Classroom is a platform that we use to organize our classes. In live meets, it is polite to mute your microphone. To log into Google Classroom, you may need to switch accounts. So you are using the Your Name at elearnclass.org account. So you might know what Google Meets already looks like. We have an important address bar. This is true for computers and phones. We have the Join Now button, true for computers and phones. And as always, make sure you're in the account that you want to be in by looking at your Google account icon. If you're not in the account that you want to be in, switching accounts is easy. You find your avatar. My avatar is a bunny rabbit. And when you click on that avatar, it'll show all of the accounts associated with your computer so you can switch between them. You can also add a new account if you would like. If you don't have a personalized avatar, maybe that's something you might want to think about doing so everybody in class knows what you look like. All right, we're going to just take a few seconds to talk about these quick tips with your teacher and your classmates. So use the prompts on the following page and the vocabulary words to have a short discussion. We might want to talk about how do you log into class, what are links, or how do you feel about online classes. All right, that's the end for part 1. Enjoy your conversation. Hi, and welcome back to part 2 of ESL 3-4, the first week of classes of session 1. This week's practical skills are muting your microphone, posting in the chat stream, and turning off or on your camera. So can you mute your microphone, post a comment in the chat stream, and turn your camera off or on? You hit this button to turn your microphone on or off. When your microphone is off, it is muted. Muting reduces background static, so it's very important in the online classroom. You hit this button to turn your camera on or off. So if you are shy or having a bad hair day, it's okay. No one will be able to see you unless you want them to be able to see you. Typing in the chat box is another very important part of the online classes. When your teacher asks you a question, you can write an answer in the chat box. Or if you have a question for your teacher, you can write it in the chat box. Or you can tell your friend that her hair looks very beautiful in the chat box. But just try to write complete sentences. We'll use it as our writing practice. All right? So those are the main skills for today, but the last one that's also important is getting some independent practice and comfortable online. So this is a link or a web address to our new ESL website that has all of our videos on it, many games, and a lot of external resources for you to empower you in your studying. So please type this address into your address bar and check out our new website and be ready to discuss it with your classmates in your live meets. All right. Have fun practicing the skills with your teacher. And also, if you want, you can check out these videos to learn more about tech skills in our online classes. These videos are posted here in the slides, and they will also be posted in your stream, or you can ask your teacher more about them. All right, thanks, and see you next time.